Why are you here again?
Mr. Lee, I know you have a supply channel from India. I beg you to help me get some boxes of generic medicine.
No, smuggling generic medicine is illegal.
Mr. Lee, I beg you to have mercy. It's not just for myself. There are dozens of lives out there waiting for you to save. Can you really bear to watch us die?
You. What are you doing?
Mr. Lee, I beg you, have pity on us patients. I've been sick for 3 years. The brand name drug costs $30,000 a bottle, and I've been taking it for 3 years. It's cost me my house and bankrupted my family. Now, finally, there's cheap generic medicine. Mr. Lee, please save us. Save us, please.
What are you doing? Get up. I agree. All right. Listen to me, everyone. About the generic medicine, I can agree to it. But this matter must be kept strictly confidential. Absolutely, no one can know.
Boss, we caught a drug dealer smuggling generics.
You Dragon Nation people are really bold. Daring to smuggle generics on my turf. Break his legs, then throw him out.
Let me go. Watch out. There's an assassin. Get him. Take him away.
Interrogate him thoroughly.
Dragon Nation man. Just now you saved my life. What reward do you want? I'll give you anything I have.
Boss, saving a life is a greater merit than building a 7-story pagoda. I saved you. Not for your reward.
All right. You are a man of honor. Today, I owe you a life. From now on, you are my big brother. From now on, my generics only you can sell. What are you waiting for? Call him Big Brother.
Big Brother. 4,000 for 1 bottle. Cash on delivery. All right. The first batch is it. If you want more, wait for the next batch. What? Already out of stock? I was planning to stock up more.
Boss Lee, you went all the way to India. Why not bring back more?
You think I didn't want to bring more? I'm on my own. It's already good that I got this much.
Boss Lee, how about this? Next time you go buy medicine, take me along. I'll help you out, so we can bring back more at once.
Okay. Then come with me next time.
Boss Lee, the background of that assassin last time, we've already figured it out. The boss was furious, so he went personally with his men to get revenge. So this time, you'll have to make do with me receiving you.
No worries, the chances for us to meet are still plenty.
I'm assistant to Boss Lee, just give me this order. The purchase price of this generic drug is only 3,000. But Li Yong sells it to us for 4,000. He makes 1,000 per bottle. Li Yong, you even dare to rip off us patients. Now let's see how you explain yourself to everyone.
Everyone's here so early, I just finished organizing these. Same as always, line up to buy. This is yours. This. What are you doing?
What are you doing? Li Yong, don't you know what you've done?
What do you mean? What did I do?
What? You made dirty money off of us. Don't you think I have the right to tell them the truth?
Li Yong, I actually thought you were a good person. But I never expected you'd pull something like this behind our backs. Are you worthy of our trust?
Exactly. Even the hard-earned money of us patients, you cheated us out of it. Li Yong, you have no shame.
Yeah.
No, you guys need to explain yourselves. What do you mean I made dirty money off of you?
Still trying to play dumb? Don't think we don't know. The cost of these generic drugs is only $3,000. You turn around and sell them to us for $4,000. If that's not making dirty money, what is?
How do you know the cost of the generics?
If Ching Ching hadn't told us, we would never have known how long we'd have been fooled by you. Today, you have to give back all the money you made off of us.
That's right, give it back.
Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. Give it back.
I admit, the generics I sold you did earn me $1,000 profit, but don't you forget, it was you who begged me on your knees to smuggle generics for you. How can you turn on me now? And I didn't even make any money. The bribes to smooth things over, and the shipping costs for the medicine, all of that costs money. This money, did I ever ask you for a single cent?
So what? We're all patients here. You're a grown adult, with 2 hands and 2 feet. Instead of working hard to earn money, you choose to make money off of us terminally ill patients. Are you even human? Aren't you afraid of going to hell?
Not making money? You make 1,000 off each bottle. With all of us here, you make tens of thousands each trip. Over a year, without lifting a finger, you pocket over $1 million. That's worse than robbery, isn't it?
Enough talk. Make him refund the money now. All that dirty money he swallowed, spit it all out. Anyway, Ching Ching now has a supply source too. We don't need you anymore.
Right, that supplier you found, I have his contact info too.
I knew it. Why were you so eager to follow me to import meds from India? So this was your real motive. Let me make this clear. No one but me can get a single bottle of generic drugs from India.
Li Yong, oh Li Yong, why are you so arrogant? You don't really think the world stops turning without you, do you? Today I'll show you how I can bring back meds from India myself. And I will never, like you, make dirty money off everyone.
Ching Ching, call that Indian boss right now. Once we buy the meds back, let's see what Li Yong has to say.
Hello? Is this Mr. Mohandy?
It's me. Who are you?
Boss Mo, it's me, Zhang Ching Ching from Dragon Country. Before, when I came to your place to get medicine, we met once.
So, it's you. What do you need from me?
It's still about the medicine. I was thinking of getting another batch of generic drugs. So I'm asking if you can sell them.
Buying medicine? Of course, no problem. As it happens, our boss plans to personally deliver a batch of medicine over there. He'll be at your place soon.
He's bringing it himself. Great. So, Boss Mo, we'll wait for you here. You hear that, Li Yong? Boss Mo said, 3,000 a bottle, as many as you want.
I'm warning you, don't get too happy too soon. Mohandy, that's on my account that he's willing to sell you medicine. If it weren't for me, you wouldn't get a single pill.
Li Yong, even now, you still have no idea what's going on. The supply channel is now in my hands. To us, you have no more use. If you know what's good for you, hurry up and return the money you swindled from everyone. We'll let bygones be bygones. Otherwise, don't blame us for being rude.
Why waste so many words on him? Since he won't refund the money, we'll just take the medicine ourselves.
Yeah, there's still so much medicine here. Let's take it all. Consider it as payment.
Grab it.
Stop. Everyone, stop right now.
How much longer till we get there? I can't wait to see the boss. Don't worry, boss. At most half an hour, and we'll be at Mr. Lee's place. Tell the driver to speed up. Last time, if it weren't for the boss saving my life, I wouldn't have had the chance to lead the guys for revenge. Now, the entire generic drug factory in India has been taken over by me. This debt of gratitude, I must thank him in person.
Yes.
Li Yong, don't feel wrong. After all, if it weren't for you first making dirty money off us, and then refusing to pay it back, we wouldn't have taken matters into our own hands, right?
Now I've seen it. This is what biting the hand that feeds you means.
It's just a few boxes of medicine from India. Since I'm here, I want to make an announcement to everyone. I now control the supply channel. No matter what price the suppliers charge, I'll only charge you 200 in shipping per bottle. I won't take a penny more.
Good. Look at Ching Ching. Now that's a truly kind person.
Exactly. Only we patients can understand each other. Unlike some heartless people. PHFT, what a piece of trash.
See, Li Yong, people like you without a conscience are destined to be despised. And the fact that you made profits off the price difference, I'll also tell Boss Mo. Then don't even think about getting a single bottle from him.
Who is it that wants to make my boss unable to get a single bottle?
Boss Mo, didn't expect you'd be here so soon.
Bro, what's going on?
Sorry for embarrassing myself in front of you, bro. I've got a little problem here. And also, the generic drug business on your end. I might not be able to continue it.
What?
You must be Boss Mo's big boss, right? I'm Zhang Qingqing. I called Boss Mo earlier. The batch of drugs you shipped this time, that's what I need.
What's the meaning of this? Who are you?
He's Li Yong's assistant.
Used to be. Not anymore.
Bro, what's going on?
Big boss, you don't know yet, do you? The drugs you sold to Li Yong, he marked them up by $1,000 and sold them to us. God knows how much dirty money he's made off us. So after everyone found out the truth, they decided they won't buy drugs from him anymore.
Not buying from my big bro? Then where are you going to buy?
Isn't this where I come in? From now on, the drugs for everyone, you can just deal directly with me.
Deal with you? Who the hell do you think you are?
Big boss, how can you hit someone? Did you forget, I just called Boss Mo a moment ago. This batch of drugs, wasn't it specially delivered to us?
So that's how it is. You're upset that my big bro took a cut from you, so you plan to kick him out and go solo, right?
Yeah, all of us have reached an agreement now. From now on, we'll only buy drugs from me. So the market over here. Just go ahead and leave it to me.
Sorry.
I'll only sell drugs to brother Li Yong.
What?
Bro.
Then I've got to have a word with you. I mean, bro. For these people.
You risked your life.
Barely managed to set up this deal with me.
And in the end, you only make $1,000 a bottle.
That 1,000 includes shipping costs. And the money I pay my guys. And greasing palms all around.
What? If you calculate it that way, the cost per bottle is pushing $3,700. So basically, you're working for free for them. Just for these ungrateful bastards. Is it worth it?
Yeah, Mr. Lee, we've got no shortage of buyers anyway. Even if we had to beg, it should be them begging you. Hey.
I was wrong about you. But this time, I'm sorry you came all this way for nothing.
Brother, what are you saying? This time, I came specifically to thank you. As for delivering the medicine, that was just a side thing. Let's not stay here and waste time with them. Let's find a place where we two can have a good drink.
Wait a minute.
Zhang Qingqing, what else do you want?
Li Yong, quickly tell the big boss to sell the medicine to me.
Why should I help you?
Because you made dirty money off all of us. So you must help us. Otherwise, if you leave, where will we buy medicine in the future?
Exactly. You can't just abandon us.
If you don't agree, you won't leave this door today.
Yo. You want to play tough with us, huh? Then let's see who's tougher.
Li Yong, don't be mad. We actually didn't want it to come to this. It's all her. She said you made dirty money off all of us. So, we were tricked by her into coming here to cause trouble.
Right. It's all Zhang Qingqing's fault. If you want to blame someone, blame her. We didn't know anything.
You guys.
Qingqing, don't blame us either. It's because you initially didn't understand the situation. Back then, you said you assured us that you could replace Li Yong and get us medicine. That's why we agreed to come with you. Now that it's come to this, you have to bear the consequences yourself.
You're also a patient. You should understand we need these medicines to save our lives. So, you must understand us, right? Li Yong, look, we've now completely disassociated ourselves from Zhang Qingqing. So, about the medicine, are you wanting to buy it? I would rather pour this medicine than give it to you ungrateful wolves, not a single pill.
Li Yong, you've gone too far. These are the medicines that can save our lives. How could you just pour them on the ground like that?
If the medicines I have saved were all people like you ungrateful wolves, then I'd rather not save anyone. Let's go. Sorry, bro. Made you come all this way for nothing. And you had to witness a huge joke.
Don't worry, bro. These ungrateful bastards. They'll pay for their stupidity sooner or later. Don't take it too hard.
Yeah, I know.
So, what are you planning to do next, bro?
I don't know. If it comes to that, I'll just sell the shop. And go find a job.
Bro. If you trust me, bro, I have a way to solve your problem.
What are you saying, bro? You're trying to help me. I'm more than grateful.
Since that's the case, I'll just say it straight. I want you, bro, to continue being my agent for generic drugs in Longguo.
Continue being the agent for generics?
That's right, bro. You know, our Indian generic drugs already have a huge market worldwide, especially in a country like Longguo, with such a large population. To be honest, I've had my eye on this market for a long time. Now, with you as the agent, and on top of that, I've just consolidated all of India's generic drug factories. As long as you're willing to continue as the agent, bro, I believe we'll soon capture the Longguo market.
This matter. I'll think it over some more.
Bro, I know what you're worried about. You're just afraid that the same thing with those ungrateful people will happen again. But I've already found a new partner for you.
What do you mean, a new partner?
Actually, the reason I came to Longguo this time apart from thanking you in person, bro, was also to meet with someone else to discuss exporting generics. Since you're free now, bro, I intend to hand this over to you. Don't worry, Mr. Li, I've already looked into that person. He's definitely not an ungrateful person like Zhang Qingqing and her bunch. You can cooperate with him without worry.
All right, since you put it that way, bro, I'll take this on.
India Health Products Store. This must be the place Mr. Alami talked about, right?
Are you?
Mr. Li? Hello, I'm Xiaoxin. Mr. Alami asked me to contact you.
Hello, please come in.
Mr. Li, Mr. Alami should have told you, right? Can I really buy Indian generic drugs here?
I do have generics here, and I can sell them to you anytime. But before that, I think there are some things we need to clear up first.
Yes, Mr. Li. As long as you're willing to sell us the medicine, I'll agree to any condition.
Then I'll be straightforward. Selling generic drugs comes with risks, and I have costs too. So, for each bottle, I need to make a profit of $1,000. Plus, shipping costs are on you. So each bottle will be $4,000. No bargaining. Since you're not willing, I won't force it. If there's nothing else, please leave.
No, Mr. Li. We just didn't expect your generic drugs to be so cheap. So we were a bit surprised, that's all.
Yeah, the brand name ones cost $30,000 a bottle. With that money, you could buy 7 or 8 bottles of generics. Mr. Li, it's already not easy for you to help us get generics. It's only right you make a bit for your hard work. I have no objections. Good. Since there are no objections, then take the medicine. Cash on delivery. Alright, this batch only has so much for now. Those who didn't get any, don't worry, I'll have India ship more right away. The new stock will arrive by tomorrow at the latest. You can come back then. Thank you, Mr. Li. With your cheap generics, I can finally lighten the burden on my family. Mr. Li, you're our savior. I'll always remember your kindness.
Is Mr. Li here?
Who are you?
Let me introduce myself. My name is Lu Duong. I own Duong Pharmaceuticals.
Duong Pharmaceuticals. What can I do for you?
Well, I heard you have a generic drug for lung cancer.
No.
Mr. Li, don't hide it. Since I came, I'm prepared. Look. I already have some. Then don't worry about it. I just want to say, if you're willing to cooperate, I can make you $1 million a year. No, $10 million a year.
How would that work?
Give me the supply channel for this generic drug, and I'll give you $2 million right now. Also, for every box sold afterward, I'll give you $2,000 commission.
And how much are you planning to sell it for?
The brand name costs $30,000. I'll sell it for $20,000 and have no shortage of buyers.
Sorry, find someone else to cooperate with.
My offer is already good enough. Are you going to turn down money?
It's not about turning down money, it's about turning down my conscience. Get out now.
Fine. Kid, you just wait.
My body's getting worse and worse. I haven't taken my medicine for a month.
Yeah, same here. If this keeps up, I'm afraid I won't last much longer.
If only I had known. Not to have fought with Li Yong, things would be fine. Zhong Qingqing. It's all your fault. Didn't you say you could get the medicine? Now look what's happened. None of us have any medicine. We're all just waiting to die.
Don't worry. I contacted Mr. Liu from DeWong Pharmaceuticals. Their company has the medicine. It should be here soon. See? Here it is, right? Mr. Liu.
These are all patients.
That's right. All lung cancer patients.
The ones you were taking before. Is this it?
That's right. This is the one Li Yong brought from India. The generic drug.
Recently, this drug has been selling widely on the market. Did you know?
What? Li Yong is still selling medicine?
Yes. However, he's not selling it to you anymore.
That bastard. How can he be so petty? We just had a small fight with him. And now he won't sell us medicine. He's just watching us die.
Exactly. Back then, we were the ones who sent him to India to get the medicine shipped.
Yeah, he's utterly heartless. Do you want to get back at him?
Yes. But, how do we get back at him?
He smuggles generic drugs. That's illegal in itself. As long as you report him, I'll stir things up from behind. At the very least, he'll be inside for 8 to 10 years.
Well, doesn't seem to benefit us much.
Yeah, right. As long as he's still selling medicine, we can buy medicine through other channels. It's only a few thousand more. But that's still cheaper than the brand name drug. If he goes to prison, we'll just have to wait to die.
Are you stupid? Don't you know what I do? Our company is already developing this lung cancer drug, and it's about to enter the trial phase. As long as you help me report Li Yong, I guarantee you'll have medicine.
Are you serious?
Of course it's true. My company is worth billions. Do you think I can't afford to give you medicine? But you have to help me get this done and make it happen.
Mr. Liu, don't worry. This matter I'll make sure it's done.
Don't push. Don't push. Everyone gets their medicine. How many bottles of medicine?
2 bottles.
You don't look sick.
I'm not the one who's sick. My mom is sick. She's bedridden and can't get up.
All right. Here are 2 bottles of medicine. That's $8,400.
Thank you very much. But I'm afraid you'll have to come with me. We've received a joint complaint from many people, saying that under the guise of treating lung cancer, you've been smuggling large quantities of generic drugs. Please cooperate with the investigation.
It was Zhang Qingqing who reported me, wasn't it?
You'll find out when you get to court.
Sir, I beg you. Please don't arrest Li Yong, okay? I've been sick for 3 years. $30,000 a bottle. I've been taking the genuine medicine for 3 years. It cost me my house. My family has been drained financially. Now, finally, there's cheap medicine, but you insist it's fake. You think we don't know if it's fake? That medicine only costs $4,000 a bottle. Li Yong didn't make any profit at all. He made no profit whatsoever. Every family has someone who gets sick. Can you guarantee that you won't get sick your whole life? You've taken him away. We'll all be left to die. I don't want to die. I want to live, okay?
I'm just following the law in handling this case. Don't give me a hard time. Confess honestly. How many people did you sell this fake medicine to? How many bottles in total? How much money did you make?
38 people. A total of 340 bottles. It sold for nearly $1 million.
1 million? That's a major case. How much profit did you make in total?
I didn't make a single cent.
That's impossible. We're already at this point, and you still won't confess honestly?
I'm telling the truth. If you don't believe me, I can't help it.
Take him to the detention center first. I will definitely get to the bottom of this case.
Yes, sir.
Who is it?
You're Lee Young's landlord, right?
Yes, and you are?
I'm a police officer. Lee Young has been arrested. Now we need your assistance with the case. Lee Young lives here. Are you sure?
I am absolutely certain. He's been renting here for a year.
How much is the rent per month?
$500.
That cheap?
Cheap? Even so, Lee Young often fell behind on rent. He still owes me 2 months' rent. And then you guys arrested him. I'm really unlucky.
What do you mean, owes you rent? Well, how is that possible?
Why not? He's just a pauper.
Do you know what Lee Young does?
He opened a store in Jiangcheng selling Indian magic oil?
Then do you know why we arrested him?
No idea.
He sells fake medicine. Illegally made over $1 million.
No way. That can't be. Made over $1 million but still lives in my rundown old place?
Maybe he was trying to cover up his crimes. Do it on purpose. Mr. Liu, I've done as you instructed. Lee Young has been arrested now. The police are collecting evidence. I'm afraid it'll be hard for him to get off this time.
Okay, good, well done. But now I need you to do one more thing for me.
What is it?
Take those patients to the detention center. Make a scene. The bigger, the better.
Is this really necessary? He's already been arrested.
You don't understand. I want to ruin his reputation. Make him desperate. So he'll have no choice but to beg me.
Okay, but now that Lee Young is locked up, we won't have our medicine for long. What you promised me before.
Don't worry, our group is already developing a similar medicine. We'll definitely sell it cheaper than Lee Young's, so everyone can afford it.
Then thanks a lot, Mr. Liu. If there's nothing else, I'll take my leave now. Someone posted bail. You're released on bail.
Who?
I don't know them either. They didn't want to reveal their name. Your acting is great.
What do you mean?
You almost fooled me too. But since you committed a crime, you must face the law. I'll see you in court. Lee Young, give me back my life-saving money.
This is my money for treatment. Give me back my life-saving money.
I'm already in the late stage of cancer. He tricked me out of every last penny. Without this money, how can I survive?
This is my life-saving money. That beast, he even took away this small amount of money.
Sir, you say Lee Young swindled you out of your life-saving money? Can you tell us more specifically what happened?
I was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer 6 months ago. The hospital confirmed it's incurable. I had already given up on treatment. I wanted to leave the money to my wife and son. But Lee Young, that bastard, he tricked me into buying his $4,000 box of fake pills. He took all my money. This is my hard-earned money. I earned it by carrying bag after bag of cement.
I was also tricked by him.
I couldn't afford the medicine. I knelt down and begged him to lower the price. He told me to get lost.
Now I realize he sold me fake medicine. The money I earned with my life, he tricked me out of it all.
They are already so pitiful, and you still cheat them out of their hard-earned money? Don't you have any guilt?
Cheat. Back when they knelt and begged me, they weren't acting like this. If I feel guilty, it will only be for one reason, that is, that I let myself down.
Lee Young, give me back my hard-earned money. That's my life-saving money. You can't be so shameless.
Me shameless? Back then, if you hadn't knelt in my store, kowtowing and playing the victim, why would I have sold you the medicine?
Lee Young, you cheated me out of my pension. My pension is only $4,000 a month. I spend it all on your medicine. Now all my money is gone because of your scam. What am I going to do?
You, and all of you, when you were lying in the hospital bed, you didn't say that back then. You kept saying, even if it's 40,000, 400,000, 4 million, you'd still get treated. But now, a mere $4,000 has bankrupted you. Is your life that cheap? You want a refund? Fine. Give me back the medicine I sold you, and I'll return every cent of your money. You don't dare. Looks like you know whether it's fake medicine deep down. You say my medicine is fake. If you have evidence proving that after taking my medicine, your condition has worsened, then I'll let you sue me. I'll pay whatever it costs.
Dr. Lee, we meet again.
You bailed me out, didn't you? Spit it out. Out with it.
Dr. Lee, there's no need to hold such a deep grudge against me. After all, I'm not the one who reported you. I know, Dr. Lee. Right now, you're being stabbed in the back by Zhang Qingqing and her people. They framed you. And now they're smearing you online. They don't know the truth, and you're being condemned by everyone. But I have a way to restore your reputation, and even ruin Zhang Qingqing and her people. All you need to do is cooperate with our company, ENG Pharmaceuticals. Whether Zhang Qingqing lives or dies is up to you. The same goes for everyone else who wronged you. With one word from you, they can be put away.
How do we cooperate?
Here's $5 million. Just give me the distribution channel for this drug, and the money is yours. Not just this money, for every box I sell, I'll give you 2,000. You'll easily make 10 million a year.
Here's the contract. I thought you were just a profiteer, but you're both evil and stupid.
What do you mean?
Exactly what I said. Figure it out yourself.
You better understand. If you don't cooperate with me, Zhang Qingqing and her people will testify against you in court. You'll be disgraced, and face a long prison sentence. It's only because you've saved so many lives that I'm offering you this contract. To be honest, our group is already reverse engineering your lung cancer drug. Even without your distribution channel, we'll have it developed soon. By then, you'll have nothing, and you'll still go to prison. I'm doing this for your own good, which is why I came to talk today. Don't be ungrateful.
Since you can reverse engineer it, why go to all the trouble of framing me? And coming to me for the distribution channel? And besides, for this knockoff drug, you've been tricking patients into reporting me, putting their lives at risk. A person like you has no right to sell medicine. You just make me sick.
Still putting on airs when you're about to die. I'll make you beg me on your knees.
Li Yong, give me back my hard-earned money.
You heartless, crooked doctor. You've ruined me.
Give me back my life, you murderer.
Now they're going to testify against you in court. Facing them, do you have anything to say?
Worst case, I go to prison. But without my medicine, they won't even survive. Then, they'll probably be the ones begging.
You devil.
Lee Yong, regarding the plaintiff's accusation that you sold counterfeit drugs.
At a price of $4,000 per bottle, you sold a total of 340 bottles,
amounting to $1,360,000.
Do you admit to this?
I admit it. I did sell the medicine, and the price was indeed $4,000 per bottle. What? Li Yong is pleading guilty already? Wasn't he just acting cocky outside the courthouse? He's already pleaded guilty, so is this trial even necessary?
He just confessed like that? Idiot. What a fool. No wonder he ended up like this.
Your Honor, I need to clarify one thing. I said I sold the medicine, but I never said I sold counterfeit drugs. I only sold generic drugs.
Have the generics been approved for market?
No.
Do you have a drug sales license?
No.
So aren't they still counterfeit?
Even without a license, they do have medicinal effects.
Evidence? How can you prove the medicine works?
I actually do have evidence.
What's this?
These are the medical records of all the plaintiffs here. From before they took the medication to the changes after each treatment cycle, everything is documented. These records clearly show that since starting the medication, All patients' conditions have been controlled and show signs of improvement. Please have someone verify this, Your Honor.
Professor Chen, please take a look. Are these medical records authentic?
Yes. Every patient's condition has improved. It's the effect of this drug.
What?
Mortality rate for advanced lung cancer is 95%. But the patients who have been taking my medicine, none of them have died. That's the best evidence. Suing me as plaintiffs. All because they took my medicine. This is like the story of the farmer and the snake. I saved their lives, and they're taking me to court. How ironic. This is a classic case of biting the hand that feeds you. If Li Yong is telling the truth, then these people are despicable.
Li Yong, this is all your side of the story. If your medicine is truly effective, why would they sue you?
Good question. I have evidence here. In this evidence, we can see that every plaintiff here has close ties to Duong Pharmaceutical, and Duong Pharmaceutical has transferred money to the plaintiffs multiple times. Duong Group has always wanted my generic drug channels. So, do the plaintiffs and Duong Group have any financial transactions?
No, I object to Li Yong's claim. I only helped them because I felt sorry for them. I gave them financial aid unrelated to generic drugs.
Is that so? Then why did you only help these plaintiffs and not other patients? Is that just a coincidence?
Why are you all looking at me? I didn't take any money.
I'm wrongly accused too. I didn't take any money.
Well, I did take money, but it was donated to me for my medical treatment.
Order. I now declare this case concluded. The verdict is as follows. Li Yong illegally sold drugs without state approval. He is fined $50,000, but considering his medicine is genuinely effective, the court will not impose further penalties. Li Yong is released from the court.
Mr. Liu, didn't you promise us before to report Li Yong? Would you give us the medicine? We did as you said. When will you give us the medicine?
I did promise you. That's right. But the condition was to get Li Yong locked up. He's still out and about. Why should I give you the medicine?
Mr. Liu, you can't do this. We're all waiting for your medicine now. It's a matter of life and death.
Yeah. This time, reporting Li Yong has made him our mortal enemy. He definitely won't sell us medicine anymore. Now, only you can help us.
Mr. Liu, you can't just stand by and watch all of us die from disease.
Get lost. Get out. I don't care if you live or die. Reporting Li Yong was your own doing. It has nothing to do with me.
It's over. We've offended Li Yong, and Mr. Liu won't give us medicine. What are we gonna do now?
Ching. We've offended Li Yong so badly. Will he really sell us medicine?
What's there to be afraid of? There are so many of us. No matter how ruthless Li Yong is, he wouldn't just stand by and watch us die. At worst, we'll apologize to him. He's a man, he shouldn't be that petty.
I think Ching is right. Anyway, Li Yong is the only one selling generic drugs now. It's not like we're not paying. Why wouldn't he sell to us?
Zhang Qingqing. What are you doing here again? Still want to report me?
How could I? Do I seem like that kind of person? Before, we were all tricked by that bastard Lu Duong. Li Yong, you're a magnanimous person. Just let us off this once.
So, you were stood up by Lu Duong. Now you want to come back to me to buy medicine?
Yeah. We've known each other for so long. We'll definitely support your business.
Take your money and get the hell out of here. I won't sell my medicine to you.
Li Yong, how can you be so heartless? You have the medicine but refuse to sell it to us. Are you just going to watch us die?
Exactly. We did report you. But we were tricked by Liu Dua. Besides, you're fine now, aren't you? Do you have to be so petty?
All of us patients.
If we die because we can't get our meds,
you'll be fully responsible, Li Yong.
What do I care about your lives? You guys were so eager to listen to Lu Duong and report me. Then go to him for your meds. My medicine, I sell to whoever I want. But definitely not to you.
Boss Lee is right. You bunch of ungrateful snakes. What if Boss Lee sells you the meds? And then you turn around and report him again.
Isn't that the truth? If I were you, I'd be too embarrassed to even show up. I don't know how you guys have such thick skin. If you're not buying, then get the hell out. I'm still waiting in line to buy my meds.
Good. Lee Yong. And all of you. You just wait. We'll see about that.
A bunch of losers. In just 2 months. Our company's drug sales. How could they drop so much?
Mr. Pitt. There are a lot of generic drugs on the market now. The price is only a tenth of ours. But the efficacy is exactly the same. So many patients are now buying those generics.
Damn it. These despicable Dragonians. They're infringing on our brand's copyright. We have to find out who's behind this. I'll take him to court.
Mr. Pitt, a group of people just showed up outside. They say they have info about the generics.
Bring them in right now.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Pitt, hello. I heard you're investigating the source of the generics. The person selling them, I happen to know him. And I also know where he gets his supply.
Speak. I want to see who's so bold as to sell generics right under my nose.
It's Lee Yong.
Lee Yong? What does he do?
This Lee Yong, he used to sell health supplements from Yingguo. Then he met a big boss in Yingguo who made generic drugs. Then he started selling generic drugs in Longguo.
Damn it. Don't the people of Yingguo know that their generic drugs are strictly prohibited from being exported to Longguo? And this Li Yong dares to sell generic drugs in Longguo. I must teach him a lesson. Go gather evidence. Sue Li Yong immediately. And the generic drug factory behind him.
Yes.
Mr. Pitt. We have personally bought Li Yong's generic drugs. As long as you agree to one condition, we can all testify in court for you.
What condition?
We are patients too. But your brand name drugs are way too expensive. So I hope after this is settled, you can sell us some cheap brand name drugs.
Of course, no problem, as long as you can help me get rid of this Li Yong, whatever amount of drugs I can give you.
Thank you, Mr. Pitt. Thank you.
A bunch of idiots. Daring to negotiate with me. Once I've dealt with Li Yong, you'll see what's coming.
Mr. Lee. The patients coming to buy our generic drugs are increasing. I guess this batch of drugs won't last long.
Later I'll call the Yingguo side. Try to get them to send more next time. And see if we can lower the price a bit more. I find that although generic drugs are cheaper than brand name ones, many people still can't afford them.
Mr. Lee, you are a good person. We patients are truly lucky to have met you.
I just did what I had to do. Besides, I never intended to get rich from generic drugs. I just wanted to give them another chance to survive.
You are that Li Yong selling generic drugs. Take him away.
Stop, what do you think you're doing?
Li Yong, suspected of illegally smuggling and selling generic drugs. We are taking him in for investigation.
Stop.
Stop.
Officer Huan, you're finally here. Please save Boss Lee. Li Yong's case, the court already closed it.
Why are you still coming to arrest him?
The court tried the case of Li Yong smuggling generic drugs. The order I've received now is Li Yong's infringement. The generic drugs infringe on the patent of the brand name drugs. The other party has filed an administrative lawsuit. You'd better not interfere with my work.
Patent infringement? Could there be some misunderstanding here?
Officer, Li Yong selling counterfeit generic drugs. I saw it with my own eyes. We have witnesses and evidence. No doubt about it.
Zhang Qingqi, you reported me again.
Li Yong, I told you to wait and see. This time, I'd like to see who can save you now.
Yeah, serves you right for not selling us the medicine. Now do you regret it? Regret? I do regret it. From the very beginning, I shouldn't have saved you. These ungrateful bastards. But you just keep biting the hand that feeds you.
Puffed. You're the ungrateful one. Getting you to import medicine from India was Ching Ching's idea. Otherwise, would you have made so much money?
That's right. It was everyone's suggestion back then. The money you earn should be shared with us. Pay up. You want money? Fine. I'll give it to you. Officer, I want to report them. I was instigated by them to sell generic drugs. Technically, they should be accomplices. Since you're arresting me, you should arrest them too.
Li Yong, what nonsense are you talking? You sold it yourself. What do I have to do with the counterfeit drugs? Don't slander me.
Zhang Qingqing, you just admitted that I sold generic drugs was at your instigation. All the officers here heard it. You want to deny it now? It's too late.
It wasn't me. They said it. It's got nothing to do with me.
If you have anything to say, save it for the station. Take them all away.
Officer Huang, Boss Lee just won the court case. Why is he being arrested again? Can you do something to help him?
After all, generic drugs are still counterfeit. This time, the brand name drug company came after him. Li Yong did infringe on the patent. I'm afraid it's not going to be easy this time.
No, Boss Lee is our lifesaver. I can't just stand by and watch him being taken away.
The only way now is if the plaintiff drops the lawsuit. Otherwise, Li Yong will have a hard time getting off.
The plaintiff drops the lawsuit. I've got an idea.
We have witnesses and evidence. Li Yong, what do you have to say for yourself?
Openly selling generic drugs. This is a blatant violation of our company's drug patent rights. Li Yong, you'd better confess now.
Confess? What am I supposed to confess to? Sure, selling the drugs is infringement. But I'm selling them to save lives. The cost of branded and generic drugs is almost the same. But the price of branded drugs is 10 times that of generics. You, for profit, don't care about the patient's lives. The real guilty one should be you.
Ridiculous. If I'm not in it for the money, why would I sell drugs? Besides, those people dying of illness, what does that have to do with me? Li Yong, you'd better enjoy your upcoming prison life.
Captain, something's wrong. There are a lot of reporters and patients outside. Go take a look.
Boycott unscrupulous drug companies. Free Li Yong.
Look,
The boss of the pharmaceutical company is out. Mr. Pete, we heard that your company, because the generic drugs are priced too cheap, deliberately framed Li Yong. Is that true?
Complete nonsense. Li Yong is just an unscrupulous drug dealer. The generics he sells are exactly the same as our company's branded drugs. Identical. This is shameless plagiarism. Blatant infringement. As law-abiding citizens, we should unite to boycott this despicable behavior.
Puffed. Talking all high and mighty. Isn't it just because Li Yong's generics are cheap and took your business? You people, for money, sell the branded drugs so expensive, and don't care at all about the lives of us patients. Exactly. We finally have an affordable alternative. For money, you stoop to such tactics. If something happens to me, it's because you people drove me to it. I'm terminal anyway. Now you won't let me buy cheap medicine. That's cutting off our lifeline.
Boycott the unscrupulous company. Free Li Yong.
You bunch of troublemakers. Shut up, all of you. Our company's drug R&D, doesn't it cost money? Can't afford the medicine? Why don't you look at your own problems? Can't make money? It's because you're lazy. You don't work hard.
Boss, something bad happened. Li Yong's arrest is all over the news. now patients nationwide
are boycotting our company together. Our stock has hit the daily limit down.
What? Just because of these troublemakers? How could they have such a big impact?
I'm sorry, Chairman. I didn't know it would blow up like this.
Stop the prosecution of Li Yong immediately.
Yes.
I'll have Li Yong released right now.
Boss, are you really going to let Li Yong go?
What if he continues selling generic drugs after he's out? Our company will go bankrupt sooner or later.
Damn Li Yong. I never thought that so many troublemakers would stand up for him. Even the headquarters got involved. We have to take the loss this time.
What's going on out there? Why is it so noisy?
Li Yong, the plaintiff has dropped the charges. You're free to go.
Li Yong, are you okay? Did they do anything to you?
I'm fine. Everyone, this
time, thanks to Xiaoxin and the others. After they learned you were arrested by the police, Xiaoxin immediately contacted patients all over the country. After everyone heard what happened to you, they spontaneously united to boycott Pete Company. This forced them to withdraw the lawsuit.
Thank you, everyone.
Mr. Li, you don't need to thank us. If it weren't for you, willing to take such a big risk to sell us generic drugs, we would have died long ago. You're our lifesaver. We should be the ones thanking you.
That's right, Mr. Li is our hero. Anyone who dares to touch my savior, I'll fight them to death.
A bunch of troublemakers. Li Yong, don't think you can incite a few patients to riot and make me give up. I'm just letting you off the hook for now. Just wait and see.
Officer Huang, how's it going?
The good news is the legitimate drug company decided to drop the lawsuit. So, Boss Li, you don't have to worry.
What's the bad news?
The bad news is they also made a demand. That is, starting today, you can no longer sell generic drugs. Otherwise, not just the domestic branch, even the headquarters will have a problem with it.
This.
Boss Li, how are you?
Is it that the legitimate drug company still won't let Boss Li off? Otherwise, I'll contact more people. Thank you all for your concern. The legitimate drug company has already decided to drop the lawsuit. This matter is over now.
Great. I knew it. Boss Li, fortune favors the good. He'll definitely be fine.
Yeah. Boss Li is our savior now. If he gets arrested, I won't know where to buy medicine anymore.
Officer Huang told me I can't continue selling.
No, continue selling.
Continuing to sell is like declaring war directly on the legitimate drug company.
So you want me to stand by and watch them die?
How much are you going to sell it for?
3,000.
3,000? Won't you lose money? You have travel expenses and stuff.
Let it be a loss. It won't be that much of a loss. Now, the supplier's price has dropped a bit. Now, it's 3,000 per bottle. Give me 3 bottles.
Give me 5 bottles.
No rush, everyone gets some. Boss Li is a living bodhisattva. Benefactor.
Benefactor.
What are you doing? Everyone, please get up.
Please get up.
Boss Pete, wait for us.
What do you want from me?
Boss Pete, didn't you say before that if we testify, you'd sell us cheap medicine? You're such a big boss, surely you wouldn't go back on your word.
Fine. From now on, they buy medicine, 25,000 per bottle.
Boss Pete, how can you do this? It's only 5,000 cheaper per bottle. That's the same as not giving a discount.
Exactly. Li Yong's generic drug is only 4,000 per bottle. You should at least be cheaper than him.
Li Yong sells cheap. Then go buy from him. I've already given you a discount. If you still can't afford it, then you deserve to die from the illness.
Bad news, boss. Just got word.
Li Yong is still peddling those generic drugs, and a bottle only costs $3,000.
What?
Is Li Yong crazy? Selling a bottle for just $3,000. That's a total loss.
If only we hadn't crossed Li Yong. Then we could have bought such cheap medicine.
Boss, it seems.
Li Yong is determined.
To go against us. Oof, let him sell. Let's see how long he can last.
Pete, given that under your management, Dragon Country's branch, the market has suffered a severe blow. The board has decided to remove you from your position as president of the Dragon Country branch. You can pack your things and get the hell back.
Boss? Are you okay? Boss Pete? What's wrong?
Can we have cheaper medicine?
Get out, all of you. If it weren't for you idiots insisting on being my damn witnesses, how would I have caused so much trouble? If it weren't for you, how would I have been fired by headquarters? You all ruined me.
Ouch.
Why are you hitting me?
It's over. This is really over. Pete is gone. And our medicine is gone too.
What are we going to do? We've been without proper medicine for almost a month. If this continues, are we really just waiting to die?
Rather than living in such pain. It's better to end it sooner. Just die.
Oh no, oh no. Don't do that. I believe heaven never seals off all the exits. Let's think of a solution carefully.
What other way is there? Money, no medicine. Every day is suffering.
Heavens. Open your eyes and look at us. Give us a way out.
No, Li Yong. Li Yong is still selling meds. Let's go see him.
Him? Last time we went to see him, he kicked us out. Will he sell to us?
Then what can we do? Do we have any other choice besides him? Even if we have to beg on our knees, we have to beg him to sell us the medicine. Let's go. I can't just die like this.
Hello, is this Singh? This is Pete. I need you to do something for me. Report a guy named Alamihan. He's selling your Indian generic drugs to China. Follow him, find the factory that makes the generics, and seize all the raw materials. Once it's done, I'll wire you $100,000. I don't care how you do it, you have to shut that factory down. Don't let him supply Li Yong anymore.
Boss, will this really work?
Of course it will. That Alamahan is already illegal. Once his factory is shut down over there, he won't be able to make generics anymore. When Li Yong runs out of meds, those patients will have to come back and beg us. Then we can charge whatever we want.
As for this medicine, 3 times a day, 2 pills each time.
Thanks. Mr. Lee, are you sure about this? You said before the cost was already $3,000, and you sell it for $3,000. So you're not making any profit, right? Plus, you have to cover shipping and rent.
Profit or not, it doesn't matter. As long as everyone can get the medicine. I saved up some money before. Enough to last a while. Hey, bro. Did you send me more medicine again?
Bro. Something's wrong. Something serious happened.
What's wrong? Take your time, tell me slowly. Our plant got raided. Government officials came suddenly and said we were infringing. They sealed all our raw materials and confiscated the machines. Now, we can't produce normally at all. What? Sealed? Why the sudden inspection?
It must be that legitimate drug company pulling strings. They contacted local officials and reported us for illegal production. Now, all our plants are sealed.
So, do we still have any medicine?
We have no raw materials now. We can only make it secretly, but it's too risky, so the cost is higher. Now, the cost per bottle is $5,000, and after these 300 bottles are sold, there won't be any more.
5,000? The cost before was only 3,000. Now it's jumped by 2,000. And only 300 bottles.
What? Cost went up to 5,000. If we sell it for 5,000, many patients still can't afford it. Before, at 3,000, many people had saved for a long time just to afford it. At 5,000, they simply can't come up with it.
His factory is sealed.
How much are you planning to sell it for?
Sell it for 500.
What? 500? Boss Lee, are you crazy? The cost is 5,000, you're selling for 500 per bottle. Then you have to cover the difference of 4,500. For 100 bottles, that's 450,000. Can your savings cover that?
I don't have any money anyway, it's just going back to how I was before. If I can save one, that's one. Better than watching them die.
Boss Lee? Why are you so foolish? For them, you've put all your belongings into it.
Hey. Boss Lee, you're a living Buddha. I've been saving for a long time. And I couldn't even afford the 3,000 medicine. Now it's 500. I can finally afford it. Sir, take it quickly. Take your medicine on time. You'll get better. Thank you, my savior. Thank you for saving my life. Get up quickly. It's what I should do.
Dr. Lee, thank you.
Dr. Lee. Thank you, it's nothing. It's my duty.
Please, don't mention it.
Boss Lee, we're here. We'd like to buy 3 bottles of medicine. Look.
I'm not selling my medicine to you. Go away.
Boss Lee, we know we were wrong. We were really wrong before. We were deceived by Lu DeWong. We were fooled by Pete. We didn't mean to harm you. Please forgive us just this once. We're really running out of medicine. If we don't take it, we'll die.
We'll die. Back when you reported me. Why didn't you think about today? Back then, you brought people to my store to rob my medicine. When you called me a heartless profiteer, why didn't you think about today? Back when you brought reporters to make a scene and accused me of swindling your hard-earned money, didn't you think about today?
Boss Lee, we really know we were wrong. We'll kowtow to you. Is that okay?
Don't give me that. I'm not buying it. Back then, you begged me to sell you medicine. And then you stabbed me in the back. I'm telling you, it's too late. Even if I have to dump my medicine, I won't sell it to you ungrateful bastards. Get out.
Lee, Boss Lee.
Boss Lee.
Boss Lee, we won't bother you anymore. We're just resting here for a bit. We'll leave soon.
Get up and come inside.
Be Boss Lee. You're willing to sell us the medicine?
Thank you. Thank you, Boss Lee. We won't screw you over again. We really won't, ever.
Go on in. 2 bottles per person. The Indian factory stopped production. The plant got shut down.
How could this happen? It must be Pete's doing. From the day I met him, I knew he couldn't be trusted.
And a few days ago, we actually planned to harm you with him. Sorry.
Forget it. Let's not dwell on it. Bro, what are you doing here? I brought the meds.
Bro. This is the last batch.
Can you secretly make more?
The machines were confiscated. The raw materials I hid are all used up. I can't make any more.
Just these 3 cases. Yeah, 300 bottles total.
I smuggled them over. I can't do anything more from now on. The pressure over there is too great. If I keep making them, I'll get arrested myself.
Then, what do we do now? Everyone's waiting for the meds to survive. Without them, they'll all die.
Bro, I'm sorry. I did my best. I really can't do anything more.
I know. I don't blame you. You've already helped me a lot. Do you guys only have one plant that makes this generic drug?
Yeah. Inspections are strict. They've given a hard order.
So, do you know if any other country is also producing this drug?
Only we are producing it. We can only hope for the best. Good luck.
Boss Lee, now we have 227 patients. These 300 bottles of medicine, if we stick to the original dosage, they'll last at most a month. After a month, we'll have no medicine left at all.
Hey, we could stretch out the dosing interval.
What do you mean?
This medicine has a long half-life. Originally, we take 4 pills a day. Now, we change to 2 pills a day. That way, the medicine will last twice as long. Even though the effect will be a bit weaker. It's still better than having no medicine at all.
Is that okay? Will it be harmful to the body? Will there be side effects?
I've looked up information before. Many patients, when they run low on medicine, take it this way. Although it can't fully control the condition, at least it can stabilize it. It won't worsen too quickly. It's still better than waiting to die without medicine. We'll hold on for now and think of other solutions. We can't just let them wait like this.
I guess that's all we can do.
We'll go to the brand name drug company. Ask them to lower the price. We also need to report our situation to the higher-ups. Ask them to include this medicine in health insurance coverage. Once it's covered by health insurance, everyone can afford the brand name drugs. Brand name drugs are legal. From then on, they'll never have to worry about running out of medicine. Everyone, I called you here today because there's something I need to tell you. Our generic drugs are completely gone.
What do you mean, no more medicine? Then what are we going to do? Are we going to disband?
Calm down, everyone. I have a plan. We can extend the dosing interval. Originally 4 pills a day, now change to 2 pills a day. That way, our supply can last 2 months. In these 2 months, we'll figure out other solutions. We can also push for lower prices on the brand name drugs and get them covered by insurance. Once insurance covers it, everyone can afford the brand name drugs.
Boss Lee, we're with you. Tell us what to do, and we'll do it. We'll work with you. Yeah, we follow you. We're in this together.
Good. Then let's start now. First, we distribute the medicine. Then we write a joint letter stating our situation.
We were selling fine, so why did Alamihan suddenly stop production?
This is no coincidence. Someone is behind this, and it's clearly targeting us.
Yeah, it's too sudden. If we really have no medicine and the brand name drug prices haven't come down, then what do we do?
Take it one step at a time. I believe heaven never seals off all exits. Every cause has an effect. Cancer drugs can't stay this expensive forever. One day, the price will come down, so everyone can afford them. What we need to do is speed up that process. And it has to be within 2 months.
Let's work hard together.
Boss Lee. I've seen everything you've been doing. I'll help you submit this to the higher-ups. I know the right people. I'll expedite the process for you.
Thank you, Officer Huang. Thank you so much. These are hundreds of lives at stake.
I know, but I need to be clear with you. The process is long. Even expedited, it'll take 3 to 4 months. You need to be prepared. You all have to hold on during these months.
I know we can hold on. As long as there's hope, we can hold on.
And I'll keep an eye on it for you. I'll let you know as soon as I hear anything. I'll also help you convey your situation to those above. Oh, by the way, I've also contacted a few journalists. They've reported on your case before. They have a strong sense of justice. They're willing to help get this story out, to bring more attention. That way, the higher-ups will take it more seriously. Watch out.
After the way I treated you before, you're still helping us like this.
Yeah, we were really jerks before. We thought Bosley was making money off us, but we never expected he'd put all his savings into this for us.
I even called him heartless before. Now I realize I was the heartless one. If it weren't for Bosley, we'd be dead already.
Once this is over, I must make it up to Boss Lee. I'll work for him, help him take care of the patients, even if it means working like a dog for him, I'm willing. Old Joe, what's wrong?
I feel a bit dizzy. I think I can't hold on much longer.
No, your condition is worsening. You need to tell Boss Lee right away.
The patient's condition has worsened a bit. Because of stopping the medication, the cancer cells have spread a bit. If you don't take the medicine again, you'll last at most a month. Boss Lee, I'm sorry. I can't hold on anymore. Am I going to die? No, don't worry. We're already pushing the medical insurance issue. We'll have a result soon. You have to hold on. You have to hold on until then. After how I treated you before, you still save me. Let's not talk about the past. You focus on recovering. As long as you're okay, that's what matters most. Oh no. There's only a few doses left. We're almost out. How will I live from now on? I've already written my will. What's coming will come.
Everyone, I have medicine here. Genuine. $10,000 a bottle. Anyone want it?
10,000? You're ripping us off. The genuine drug is only 30,000. Why don't you just rob us?
Robbery. Now you have no meds to take. You're gonna die soon. I'm saving your lives here. $10,000 for a life. Is that expensive? If you don't want it, there are plenty who do.
Liu Juan, get out. Even if we die, we won't buy your shady meds.
Don't be ungrateful. Right now, besides me, who else has medicine? If you don't buy, you'll just wait to die.
Get out. You're not welcome here.
Li Yong, don't be ungrateful. I'm trying to help you.
How long do you think you can last? Even if we die, we won't buy your meds. Get out. If you come here causing trouble again, I'll call the police. Estimate.
Mr. Lee, we've got news. The higher-ups have received your joint letter. They've started discussing it. They said they'll get back to us soon.
Really? That's great. How much longer?
At least a month. Because there's a procedure, we still need to negotiate with the pharma company to get them to lower the price. So we have to wait a bit longer. Also, that reporter's article has been published. Now the whole country knows about your situation. Many people are calling for the price of the genuine drug to go down and for it to be covered by insurance. Public pressure is huge. The pharma company has already relented. They said they're willing to come and learn more.
Mr. Lee, something's wrong. Chen Meishuan fainted. She's been sent to the hospital. The doctor said her condition has worsened significantly. If she doesn't get the medicine soon, she won't make it.
What?
Mr. Lee. Aunt Chen, she's about to go. The doctor said she has at most 3 days. If she doesn't get the medicine, then.
Give it to her to hold on for now.
This is what you saved. You couldn't bear to give it to anyone else.
It's okay, give it to her first. She can't hold on anymore.
Mr. Lee. I'm sorry.
Don't say that. Focus on recovering. You'll get the medicine soon. The insurance coverage will be approved soon. Then you'll be able to afford the medicine.
I can hold on. I will hold on.
We've been holding on for over 2 months. A lot of people can't take it much longer. We just want to beg them to lower the drug prices and include the drugs in medical insurance. We don't want to die. We want to live.
We're not making trouble for no reason. We just want to survive. We have no other choice.
Today, tens of thousands of people at the Longguo cancer drug manufacturer held a protest, calling for price cuts. Today, a large crowd at a certain cancer drug company held a demonstration, unprecedented in scale. Many people gathered at the scene.
Let's talk. Li Yong.
You are.
Let me introduce myself. I'm from the M country branch of the legitimate drug company. The current president of its headquarters, Chen Jian. I heard that recently in the Longguo market, a large quantity of generic drugs have appeared. You're behind all this, aren't you?
So you're here to make trouble.
Li Yong, 40 years old this year, orphaned, no parents, has been living off a health product store all these years. Later saved, Aramihan, got the channel for generic drugs. You've been selling drugs for so long, you've been losing money all along, right?
Looks like you've done your homework on me. But whether I'm losing money or not, what's it to you?
The world hustles and bustles, all for the sake of profit. This check for 10 million should be enough to make you stop, right? Of course, for a low-level person like you, this 10 million is enough for you to live worry-free for the rest of your life. As long as you agree to stop selling generics, stop protesting, this check can be cashed anytime.
President Chen, you're indeed generous. But I've known since I was young to be content with what I have. What's mine, I won't give up a bit. But what's not mine, I won't take a single cent.
How dare you?
Li Yong, state your terms. What exactly will it take for you to let go? Li Yong, you should know that as an ordinary person, you can't fight our company. Even with Alami Khan behind you, they've stopped supplying the drug. If you keep pushing against us, the only outcome is mutual destruction. So, I suggest you think it over carefully.
Actually, getting me to handle this is simple. If you just set the drug price at a reasonable level, then patients won't have so many problems.
That's impossible. We developed the genuine drug with hundreds of millions of dollars invested. We need to make a profit from this drug to fund new drug development.
But from what I know, the cost of your genuine drug is only $2,000 or $3,000. And this drug has been on the market for years. You've already recouped your cost many times over. But you still set the price at $30,000 per bottle. How do you explain that?
I've already told you. All the hustle and bustle in the world is for profit. Capital is not about charity. Our company was founded to make money. So, of course, we choose the option that maximizes profit.
So you'll ignore the lives of so many patients just to make money?
Li Yong, I understand how you feel. But capital only cares about profit. Unless you can give me a reason for us to lower the price. Otherwise, I won't agree to your conditions.
Fine. Then I'll talk about profiting. Dragon Country has a population of 1.4 billion. The number of patients needing your drug is over 10 million, but those who can afford it are less than 1/10. If you make this drug affordable,
For all those millions of patients, the profit you can earn each year would be even higher. How do I know what you say is true?
your company is so big, you must have professional market analysts. If you analyze the Dragon Country market, you'll naturally verify my conclusion.
All right, I'll trust you this time. I'll have our market analysts study your claims. Give me a conclusion as soon as possible.
What Li Yong said is true. Dragon Country has the world's largest consumer market. If our drug sales can fully cover it, the profit we can ultimately make will be higher than it is now. Mr. Chen,
This is the plan from our company's top market analysis team
that they came up with. And based on the average income in the Dragon Kingdom, we've given a more reasonable offer.
How much?
10,000.
Mr. Lee, congratulations on successfully persuading our company. From now on, the price of the genuine medicine can be adjusted to 10,000. Are you satisfied with this price?
10,000 is still too expensive.
Li Yong, don't push your luck too far. This is already our company's final bottom line. And this pricing is also based on your Dragon Kingdom people's average retail income calculated.
Data can lie sometimes. In fact, 90% of Dragon Kingdom citizens earn less than 5,000 a month. Let alone people with this disease. Most of them are unable to work, the elderly.
So 10,000 for them
is still too expensive.
All right, then what price do you think it should be? 5,000. You're just trying to make us work for free.
Not 5,000. It's 500.
Impossible. 500 won't even cover the cost. Do you really think our company is a charity?
Mr. Chen, you misunderstand. Of course I wouldn't ask your company to sell the medicine at a loss. I just wanted to give you a suggestion. This is a medication that needs to be taken long term. I hope ordinary people can afford it.
What suggestion?
Health insurance. As long as your company's medicine can be applied to be included in the Dragon Kingdom's health insurance, then the money patients spend on medicine can be 90% reimbursed by insurance. In this way, it can guarantee your company's profits and also allow more people to afford your medicine.
Mr. Chen, I think Mr. Lee's proposal makes a lot of sense. As long as we can get it included in health insurance, then the Dragon Kingdom will purchase in bulk.
We can further reduce costs. Overall, the profit should not be low. All right, I agree. I'll go back now and arrange for the application to be submitted. But you must also promise me that nothing else happens from here on out.
I can't do that. The health insurance approval will take some time. I still have to see this through. Until your approval goes through, we'll talk then.
You. Forget it, I can't be bothered to argue with you.
The pharmaceutical company contacted us yesterday. They said they're willing to cooperate with the government to lower the price.
Did they say how much it'll drop to?
Maybe down to 10,000.
They can't afford 10,000 either. It's useless. Our family was doing pretty well. We had over 200,000 in savings. Over the past 3 years, we've accumulated over 300,000 in debt. 10,000 per box. It's like no reduction at all. We can't afford it. It's forcing us to the edge.
Exactly, 10,000 bucks.
Everyone, calm down first. We'll report your concerns later.
We're about to die. How can we not be upset? I can't hold out another month. Hello, who's this?
Mr. Lee, I'm from Longguo, the anti-cancer drug, head of marketing. We're willing to reduce the drug price to 3,000 per bottle and work with the government to include this drug in medical insurance.
Really?
There's medicine. There's medicine. There's medicine.
Great. Great. Finally, there's medicine. We can finally survive.
Thank you. If it weren't for you, we would never have made it this far.
From policy announcement to implementation, it may take a few days. So everyone, hold on a few more days.
You've held them this long, can't you hold on a few more days? We will definitely make it through.
3 days later, the genuine medicine will be here in bulk, and it's down to $3,000. It's covered by insurance now. You only need to pay a few $100 to buy it.
Just hang on for 3 more days. Just 3 days. If we can get through these 3 days, we'll have the meds. Everyone, you have to hold on, okay?
Boss Lee, we've already held on for over 2 months. We can make it 3 more days. We can do it. It's been so hard to get this far. We're finally about to see the light.
The insurance-approved meds are still a few days away. I have genuine medicine right here. $10,000 a bottle. Want it? $10,000 for a life. A bargain, right?
You heartless bastard. You used to sell it for 20 or 30,000. Why are you selling it for 10 now?
Take it or leave it. If you don't buy, you'll die waiting.
You jerk.
Even if we die.
We won't buy your medicine. Get lost.
It's been 3 days. Why hasn't the medicine arrived?
I can't hold on anymore. Am I dying?
Auntie, hold on, just a little longer. The medicine is almost here. Boss Lee has gone to pick it up. It'll be here soon.
That's right, Auntie. Let's hold on a bit longer. We'll have the medicine soon. The medicine is here.
The medicine is here.
I finally have medicine. I can finally survive.
Thank you, Boss Lee. You're our savior.
Savior.
Get up, everyone, get up. This is the result of our joint effort. It's not just me.
Boss Lee, if it weren't for you, we wouldn't be where we are today. I treated you so badly before. I was such a jerk.
Auntie, let's not talk about the past. Now everyone can be fine. That's the most important thing.
Uncle, the medicine is all here.
Now it's all good. Everything is settled. No one has to worry anymore about running out of medicine.
What are you doing? Lee Yong, he's fine now. Why are you still coming?
We received a report. Lee Yong is suspected of illegally selling counterfeit drugs, involving a huge amount of money. We need to take him in for investigation.
I told you, even if he came up with some welfare policy, he can't escape the law. His selling fake drugs won't be shrugged off easily.
Lee Yong, you didn't expect this, did you? You thought you could pull some tricks and get away with it? You've been selling fake drugs for so long, you deserve to rot in jail.
You can't arrest him.
Don't panic, I'm fine. Take care of everyone. Wait for me to come back.
Lee Yong.
Everyone, please stay calm. Don't obstruct official business.
Boss Lee, I brought you some congee. Eat it while it's hot. We'll find a way to get you out.
I'm fine. Don't worry too much. It must be their doing.
It's all my fault. If I hadn't kept hurting you before, they wouldn't have had a chance to set you up. Boss Lee, rest assured, even if we have to sell everything we own, we'll help you fight the lawsuit.
I asked around. This time, Pete and Lu Dewang hired the most famous lawyer in the industry, Attorney Zhang. The one who's never lost a case, Iron Mouth Zhang. They're going to sue you to the ground.
Li Yong, right? I'm your plaintiff's lawyer, Zhong Zheng. I suggest you plead guilty early. The evidence we have is enough to put you away for 10 years.
Evidence? What evidence?
This is the sales record of the counterfeit drugs you sold before. Over 10,000 bottles, 4,000 each. This is evidence of illegal business. Also, the drugs you sold have no approval number. That makes them counterfeit and substandard. The evidence is conclusive.
Li Yong, if you plead guilty now, we can still put in a good word for you, get the judge to lighten your sentence. Otherwise, you'll rot in prison.
I told you long ago, going up against me, you're still too green. Now you regret it? Too late.
Regret. I've never regretted anything. If you have the guts, just come at me.
Let's go. We're ready for the trial.
I want to see who can save him this time. Your Honor, the defendant, Li Yong, without any drug sales qualifications, he sold unapproved generic drugs without authorization. A total of 10,340 bottles were sold, involving an amount of $31,020,000. This constitutes the crime of illegally selling counterfeit and substandard drugs. Moreover, the defendant, at a cost of $460, sold them for $615, reaping huge ill-gotten profits. He harmed hundreds of seriously ill patients. The nature of the crime is extremely vile.
See? Attorney Zhang is amazing. He nailed him in no time. Now it's done. We finally got him put away. Crossing me is suicide.
Defendant, to the plaintiff's accusations, do you have any objections?
Your Honor, I have more evidence. This is the defendant's previous bank statement. During the months he was selling drugs, over $10 million were deposited into his account. It's enough to prove he was just in it for the money, and took the risk of selling fake drugs.
No, that's not his profit. He used that money to buy medicine for everyone. He didn't make any money at all.
Ma'am, you need evidence when you speak. The bank statement is right here. Over $10 million in deposits, and you say he didn't make any money. Who would believe that? Your Honor, the defendant's actions have seriously violated the law and harmed innocent patients. I request a sentence of 10 years in prison for the defendant, as a deterrent to others.
Order in the court. Court is adjourned. The trial is postponed. I'm sorry, Mr. Lee. It's all our fault. We couldn't help you. We consulted many lawyers. They all said the opposing lawyer is too strong. We can't win.
Why are you crying? I'm fine. It's just a lawsuit. I'm not afraid of them.
Mr. Lee, we've collected all the medical records of patients who took your medicine, their medical histories, from before they took it to after. All the changes in their condition are right here. We found over 200 people. Each one signed. To prove your medicine is effective, it's not a fake drug. Also, we found records of your transfers to Alami Khan. You bought each bottle for $3,000. Then you sold them for $500. We have the transfer records. And you even paid for shipping. You didn't make any profit. You actually lost a lot.
That's right, Mr. Lee. We can all testify for you. We took your medicine, and our conditions improved. If it weren't for you, we would have died long ago. Even if we die, we'll still testify for you.
Yes? We'll all go to court and tell the judge the truth. We don't believe those bad guys can have their way.
I've organized all this evidence. At the next trial, we'll bring it all out. I don't believe they can still twist the truth.
Thank you. Thank you all.
We should be the ones thanking you. If it weren't for you, we would have died. This time, let us save you.
What's going on? How do they have those things? Those patients actually testified for Li Yong. Are they crazy? Lawyer Jean, what do we do now? If the judge accepts this evidence, we'll lose, won't we? We spent so much money to hire you. You can't lose.
What's there to panic about? What use are these things? The patient's testimonies? They're all Li Yong's people. The judge won't believe them at all.
And those medical records?
Without the hospital's stamp.
They wrote them themselves. What kind of evidence is that? Don't worry. I've been practicing law for years. I've seen it all. Li Yong's little tricks? They're nothing.
Next court session.
I'll make sure he never recovers. I promise, in tomorrow's court session. This time Li Yong is dead for sure. Your Honor, I have new evidence here. Several patients took the defendant's prevention medication, and not only did their condition not improve, it got worse. This proves that the defendant's medicine
is completely ineffective fake medicine.
It even harms people.
You're lying. You never took Boss Lee's medicine. You're false witnesses they hired.
We are real witnesses. We took Boss Lee's medicine. Our conditions all improved. We can testify.
Even if you took it and it worked.
Without any drug.
Sales qualification. Selling unapproved generic drugs is also illegal. And what evidence do you have to claim they are false witnesses? They are also victims. Are you going to slander them too? Your Honor, look. The defendant's people, to avoid punishment, dare to slander the victims. This shows how arrogant they are.
You're making false accusations. Before, you came to us and asked us to gang up on Li Yong, a bunch of bad guys. You're twisting the truth.
Order, order. The court is now adjourned. We will reconvene on another day.
Even though they didn't gain much advantage,
they won't let it go.
The situation is not in our favor. These drugs weren't approved. And Li Yong doesn't have a sales license. If we strictly follow the law, it's indeed illegal.
So what do we do?
There are things I can't say. Looking at the bigger picture, Li Yong sold the drugs not for profit, but to save lives. That's our first breakthrough. The second breakthrough, Pete Lu Dewang, will definitely try everything to convict Li Yong. They're bad at heart. They might use underhanded methods. We can keep an eye on them and find our opening.
Leave that to me. We've dealt with them before. I know them well.
He didn't make a profit. Plus, they have a lot of patients. Without solid evidence, it'll be hard to put Li Yong away.
No, we can't just let it go.
If playing fair doesn't work, we can play dirty.
I can do it, but it'll cost extra.
I've already given you so much. Why more?
You get what you pay for.
Playing dirty is too risky.
Go.
Get the photos from the safe, all the documents, bring them over. These photos were taken by my maid.
At Li Yong's health supplement store. We had someone wear Li Yong's clothes and Photoshop the face. The patient's face was also Photoshopped.
With these photos, and the deceased's records.
AI-generated audio, I have the full set.
There's no way Li Yong can escape.
We'll say Li Yong not only sold fake drugs, but also caused deaths. By then, even with 100 mouths, he won't be able to explain. The old fox is the cleverest. Let's do it. Then transfer the extra fee to my account now. Okay. 50% up front, the rest after it's done.
Hello, is this 120? 125. Science and Technology Avenue. Someone is injured and passed out.
Okay, we'll be right there. No need, just help me up. I have to go to court now.
You're injured. It's not minor. Why don't I bandage you first before you go?
It's fine. It'll stop bleeding soon.
Still not answering. She told me yesterday, there's evidence. Pete and his crew are faking.
I'll try calling again. Your Honor.
We have submitted new evidence.
This was taken by a passerby. The photo shows the defendant, Li Yong, selling drugs to Wang Lei, Huang Jiang, and Zhuo Lin, 2 people. Unfortunately, these 2 people died within 5 days of the incident. If Li Yong's medicine was fine, then how could this happen? I don't know these 2 people at all.
Is there a mistake? Their names are not on the purchase list. Then how do you explain these 2 photos? Show them the photos.
When was this taken? I don't remember.
We don't know these 2 people. They're not here.
Right, we've never seen either of them.
Your Honor, there must be a mistake. I've been with Li Yong for so long. Every person who came to buy medicine, I remember clearly. These 2 never came.
The photo is genuine. We have a statement. Please give it to Your Honor. This is the provider of the photo, who gave the statement. Statement: the authenticity of this photo has not been tampered with. Otherwise, they will bear legal responsibility.
Impossible. This must be fake. These 2 never came to buy medicine.
Right, we remember clearly. We've never seen them. Order. Li Yong, what else do you have to say?
Li Yong, what else do you have to say?
Your Honor, I really haven't seen either of them. The people who came to buy medicine from me, I remember every single one clearly.
Your Honor, we request to examine the negatives of the photos.
Would you, my friend, hand the negatives over to Your Honor?
What's going on?
That's impossible.
How could this happen?
Can you take me to the courthouse? I have something urgent to take care of.
You should go to the hospital and get bandaged up. We're almost at the hospital.
This little injury is nothing. It's not important. I have an emergency. Can't be delayed. Master Liao, can you take the patient to the courthouse? She says she has an emergency.
No. When we, as paramedics, receive a patient, the first thing is to rush them to the hospital, not to the courthouse. If the higher-ups come down on us for not following procedure, we'll be punished.
No. Please, take me to the courthouse. I really have a very, very important matter to attend to. My injury is not important at all. But what's happening there is much more important.
All right. The law is vast and it misses nothing. According to the laws of the Dragon Kingdom, I ask Your Honor to pronounce the defendant, Li Yong, guilty of illegally selling counterfeit and substandard drugs.
Your Honor, shouldn't we verify the deceased and the person who provided the photos?
The time of the deceased's death, what medication they took before death, are clearly stated in the test report.
But what if someone forged this evidence?
Forgery? Can these things be forged? Counsel, who would dare to forge evidence? Don't rush. I have more evidence. Please, Your Honor, click on the audio file in the USB drive.
I am the wife of the deceased, Wang Lei. He had lung cancer for 5 years. Before, he took genuine medicine that cost 30,000 per bottle. Later, we ran out of money, and he told me someone was selling generic drugs. He said he wanted to try buying some. Then, in less than a week, he was gone.
My wife had cancer for 2 years. Couldn't afford the real medicine. So I bought the generic version. I asked him if it could be fake. He said no. So many people were taking it, but she passed away just a few days later.
The evidence is conclusive. This court declares, defendant Li Yong sold counterfeit and substandard drugs.
Slow. Your Honor. They falsified evidence. I have a recording for you to hear as well.
This photo was taken by my servant at Li Yong's health product store. That guy named Yong wore Li Yong's clothes. The face was photoshopped on. The patient's face was also photoshopped.
With these photos, the deceased's info,
and AI-generated recordings, I have a complete set of his identity.
I think Li Yong can't escape even if he had wings.
Attorney John, you actually dared to submit false evidence in court and find false witnesses.
No, Your Honor, it wasn't me. It was him. Attorney Zhang made me do it.
He taught me everything. He wanted to frame Li Yong.
I was just fooled by him.
I did not.
Nonsense. You're the one throwing mud. You're the one throwing mud.
Enough. Both of you dared to commit perjury in court and frame others. Guards, take them away. Initiate an investigation.
We were wrong.
Attorney Zhang. As a lawyer, knowing the law and breaking it, you actually helped them commit perjury, frame others. From today onward, your law license is revoked, never to be rehired. You will also be held legally accountable. Li Yong, after this court's investigation, the generic drugs you sold do have real medical efficacy, and you did not profit from it. Instead, you lost money helping so many patients. Therefore, this court sentences Li Yong is acquitted of all charges.
Great.
Boss, you're out. You're finally out.
Bosley, great, you're safe now, we finally rescued you.
Bosley, thank you. If it weren't for you, we'd be dead. You saved our lives.
Our savior.
Get up. It wasn't just me. We all worked together. Without you all, I couldn't have made it.
Bosley, you're like a second parent to us. If it weren't for you, where would we be today? Before I had already set aside my funeral money.
Yeah. I even wrote my will. All set to die, but now, I can live another 10 years. I can go home and hold my newborn grandson. This time, thanks to Ching Ching. Without her, I'd be done for.
Don't say that. Without your medicine, I might have died. Everything in this world has its counterpart, every cause has an effect.
Everyone, stop crowding Bosley. He just got out of detention. Hasn't had a good rest.
Bosley, please. Save my child. We're out of options. We heard you can save those with terminal illnesses. Please save my little Bao. He's only 1 year old. He hasn't truly seen the world. What's wrong with the child? Hasn't he seen a doctor? Little Bao has spinal muscular atrophy. The doctor said, without the special drug he won't live past 700,000 per shot. We sold our house borrowed from everyone just for one shot. After that, we're broke. This is the bill.
This poor child.
Don't worry, stay here first in the small room at my shop. I'll help you. I'll find a way. As long as I'm here, I won't let anything happen to little Bao. I'm asking you if you have a generic version of the drug for spinal muscular atrophy. The one you inject for kids with that disease. I do have the generic of that drug.
But you can't touch it. The company that makes the original is 100 times more ruthless than that Pete's company last time.
What happened?
There was this guy who secretly made generics of this drug, and the company found out. They reported him to our government. Not only did they shut down his factory, they got him locked up for 5 years. His family was ruined, completely destroyed. That Elizabeth is the CEO of that company. To make money, she'll do anything, and the drug is expensive to make too. One shot costs $8,000. Way more than the lung cancer drug before. Brother, I'm telling you, stay away from this. Last time you barely got through it. If you get in trouble again, I'm afraid I won't be able to save you.
If I don't do it, that kid is dead. And so many other kids like him. They're only 1 or 2 years old. Just because they don't have money, they deserve to die. So many sick people, you can't save them all. It's true, I can't save everyone, but if I come across them, I can't just look away.
Okay, brother. Even if it costs me my life, I'll help you get the drug. Wait, I'll ship it to you within 3 days.
Bosley, are you sure you want to get involved? Last time we barely made it through this time.
It's okay, with everyone here we can get through it.
Boss Lee, I just sent out the message. In less than half a day, hundreds of parents added me. They're all like Lin Jianjun and his wife bankrupted. Some kids are barely holding on.
Bosley, this is the money I saved. It's not much, but take it. If it's not enough, I'll ask my son for more.
Yeah. Last time you saved us, this time we're with you. No matter how hard, we'll follow you.
We appreciate your kindness. But we can't take the money, keep it for your own medicine. We have a way.
Get up. Get up, all of you. I know your struggles. I'll help you. I will help you get this drug issue resolved. Don't worry, Boss Lee. We've been waiting for you. We begged so many people, but no one was willing to help. They all said this disease is a poverty disease. If you can't afford treatment, just give up. How could we give up? They're our children. I know. Don't worry. I won't let anything happen to your kids. Let's organize everyone's information first. Then we'll figure out a plan together to bring down the price of this drug so everyone can afford it.
Mr. Lee, hello. My name is Wang Kun. I'm the official distributor for genuine SMA drugs, the exclusive distributor nationwide. I've heard so much about you.
You need something?
Mr. Lee, I know you want to help those kids. But you can't get involved in this. Here's the deal. Take this 1 million, just pretend you never heard of this disease. Stop now. I guarantee you'll be fine.
If I wanted money, I would have taken Pete's 10 million earlier. You think you'd even get a chance?
Mr. Lee, I know you look down on that petty cash. This 10 million, take it. As long as you back off. This money is yours. You'll never spend it all in your lifetime. If you still want to sell medicine, go sell your lung cancer drugs. Stay out of my business, okay? All right?
Get out. Let me tell you, I'm going to see this through. Your dirty money, keep it for yourself. If you dare to jack up drug prices again, I'll be the first to go after you.
Li Yong, don't be ungrateful. If you insist on opposing me, I have plenty of ways to take you down. You won last time because you were lucky. This time, I'll make sure you rot in jail.
Mr. Lee, could he be up to something again, like last time with Li Duang, stirring up trouble?
I don't know. We'll handle whatever comes. We'll deal with it. Hello. Can you give me an estimate? How much is my health supplement store worth? I want to sell it.
Do you have the property deed?
Yes.
Maybe around 1.5 million.
That's too low. This is a storefront. That's the standard price.
Li Yong's generic drugs are fake. They can kill people.
What are you talking about? How could Boss Lee sell fake drugs?
It is him. He sells fake drugs. My son took his medicine. His condition keeps getting worse. He is a liar.
Yesterday, Wang Kun secretly gathered many parents. I felt something was wrong, so I followed them. These people were all hired by Wang Kun. He paid each $5,000 to slander you.
Do you have evidence?
I recorded it. Everyone, don't believe them. I have the recording.
You just say that Li Yong's medicine made your condition worse. We'll give each of you $5,000. After it's done, another $5,000. Ruining his reputation. Then we can keep selling overpriced drugs.
He thinks using the same method as last time he can bring me down. Too naive. I was already prepared for that.
Good thing you recorded it in advance. Otherwise, this time you would have ruined our reputation again.
Everyone, rest assured. This little trick won't bring me down. Let's continue organizing the materials. We must bring down the price, so everyone can afford it.
The drugs have been shipped, but they were inspected on the way. Luckily, I hid them. They are safe now. They'll arrive in 3 days.
Big brother, I'm telling you. This inspection was definitely Wayne Coon's doing. He already knew we were shipping drugs. He tipped off the customs guys.
To seize our drugs. Good thing I took a detour. Otherwise, we would have lost them.
Is the medicine okay? Is everyone okay?
It's fine. The drugs are fine. Everyone's fine. It's just the cost went up again. The detour cost a lot. A dose is now 9,000. Big brother. You see.
It's okay. 9,000 is fine, as long as the drugs arrive. I'll figure out the money. Hello? The person who wanted to buy my supplement store. Are they still interested? I can discount it by 100,000, but there's one condition. I'll hand over the store in a month. But can you give me the money now? I'm in a hurry. Yes.
Don't sell the store. Let's think of other ways. We can pool money together.
It's fine. If we lose the store, we can open another one. But those children, if they don't get their medicine, they'll be truly gone. As long as the children are okay, that's all that matters.
You're Lee Yong.
That's me. You looking for me?
Lee Yong. I know you want to help those kids. Here's a check for 100 million. Take it. Back off. Stop meddling in this. If it's money you want, I can give you more. If you want to sell drugs, go sell your lung cancer drug. Stay out of my business. Deal?
You think I'm in it for the money? If I were in it for the money, I wouldn't have sold my own store. Let me tell you, I'm seeing this through. You sell the drug for 700,000 a shot. Those kids can't afford it. You just watch them die.
Lee Yong, you don't understand. We spent billions developing this drug. We need to make money. We need to develop new drugs. Those poor people can't afford it. That's their problem, not mine.
You develop drugs, isn't it to save lives? Now for money, you watch those children die. Do you deserve to be the CEO of a drug company?
Whether I deserve it or not, none of your business. Let me tell you. If you don't back off, I'll destroy you. I've already blocked every path you have. If you insist on going against me, I'll make sure you rot in prison. Believe me.
I believe you. But I'm telling you, I'm not afraid. As long as I can save those kids. Even if I go to prison, I'll accept it.
Fine, just wait. Let's see how long you can last.
Mr. Lee, is he going to cause trouble again?
Lee. Xiao Bao's not going to make it. The kid's condition is deteriorating too fast. If he doesn't get the special drug soon, he won't last the night at best. If you have money, go buy the genuine drug quickly. Otherwise, prepare for the worst.
We have no money. 700,000 a shot.
We can't afford that at all.
My child. Can the medicine be delivered faster? The kid can't hold on much longer. The earliest would be tomorrow. We need another day. Use the genuine medicine for the child first. I'll cover the cost. 70,000. I'll pay it. Boss Lee. That's 70,000. Where did you get so much money? It's okay. I just sold my shop. I have money. As long as it can save Xiaobao, it's worth any amount. Boss Lee, you are our family's savior. We'll never forget you for the rest of our lives. Thankfully, we made it in time. As long as the child is all right, that's all that matters. What are you doing here?
I'm here to help you. Elizabeth and I used to work at the same research institute. This USB drive has the cost data for her drug and how much they've made over the years. Take it and expose them. It'll definitely be useful.
Why are you helping me?
Because I know you're a good person. Elizabeth has gone too far. The drug only costs 4,000 to produce. She sells it for 70,000. How much dirty money has she made? I can't stand it anymore.
This is internal information from SMA. The cost is only 4,000, but they sell it for 70,000 a shot. That's way too shady.
Okay, thanks for the info.
It is understood that the life-saving drug for SMA, a rare disease, is priced as high as 70,000 per shot, while the actual production cost is only 4,000. The huge price gap exposes a serious monopoly and profiteering problem, disregarding patients' lives and rights. Children with rare diseases need more attention. In response, all sectors of society have strongly condemned this.
What do we do now? The public pressure is too much. We can't handle it.
What are you panicking for? I don't believe he can do anything to me. I don't care what methods you use. You must bring Li Yong down. He's ruined my business now. If I don't destroy him, I won't be able to do business from now on.
Rest assured, Miss Elizabeth, I have a way. I've sued Li Yong before. I know his weakness.
This is a $2 million deposit. The remaining $8 million. When you put Li Yong in prison, I'll wire it to your account immediately. Don't try any tricks with me.
Don't worry, Miss Elizabeth.
I promise. I'll make sure Li Yong can't escape, and he won't be able to mess up your plans again. Attorney John. This time, we must be thorough. We can't let it be like last time, where he found a loophole. Li Yong now has the documents Chen Jiang gave him. And he's exposing our secrets. If we delay any longer, we're all finished.
Don't worry, I've already figured out a plan. I'll forge evidence that Li Yong smuggled prohibited drugs. And I'll find a few fake witnesses. By then, even if he's incredibly capable, he won't be able to clear his name. Send me the bank account number I had you prepare.
Send it over. Quick.
I got the deposit. We're leaving now. And never coming back.
Damn it. He actually took the money and ran.
Miss Elizabeth. What do we do? Zhang Zheng took the deposit and ran. And he knows so many of our secrets. If he exposes them, we're completely finished.
He can run, but he can't hide. Take your men and go after him now. Even if you have to dig 3 feet into the ground, you must bring him back. Kill him. Also, regarding Li Yong, you go personally to sabotage his medical equipment deal with Alamihan. Seize the medicine. Cut off those children's lifeline.
Yes? Yes. I understand.
Boss, all the medicine has been delivered, 200 doses in total. Should be enough for those kids for a while.
Bro, you've worked hard, sorry to trouble you again.
Don't crowd, line up. We'll hand out the medicine one by one, every kid gets a share.
Thanks to Boss Lee, otherwise our kids would have no hope.
Boss, while transporting the medicine, I felt like someone was tailing us. Wang Kun won't let it go. You need to be careful, don't let anything happen.
I know. I've already arranged for Zhang Qingqing and Chen Meijuan to keep watch nearby. If anything happens, they'll notify us immediately. Don't worry. This time, we will protect the medicine. Protect the kids.
Once they start unloading, we rush in. Grab all the medicine. And destroy it. Don't leave a single bottle for Li Yong. Got it?
Go.
Snatch the medicine.
Don't panic. Protect the medicine.
Hey.
Quick. Load all the medicine onto the truck. Destroy it.
You animal. Those kids are counting on this medicine to live. How dare you steal it?
Li Yong, wise up and get out of my way. Or I'll beat you too. Miss Elizabeth said, as long as we ruin the medicine, you're finished.
I won't let you destroy the medicine. Over my dead body.
Everyone, let's try harder. Zhang Qingting and the others will be here soon. We must protect the medicine.
You heartless bastards. No stealing the medicine. Those kids are innocent.
Boss Lee saved us before. Now it's our turn to save him. And those kids. We can't let these heartless bastards win.
Hurry, speed it up. Load the medicine into the truck. Let's get out of here.
Leave the medicine, or I'll die right in front of you. Boss Lee, grab him.
Don't let them get away.
Damn Li Yong. He's so hard to kill.
Leave the medicine.
Boss Lee, hold on. We're almost on them.
Li Yong, don't go too far. Miss Elizabeth won't let you off either. She'll make sure you die a miserable death.
I'm not afraid of her. Those kids need these meds to survive. You're not taking these meds today, and you won't escape either. You accomplices, don't touch Boss Lee. Today, we'll teach you a lesson. So you'll learn what goes around, comes around. Wang Kun, you think you can get away? All these years, you've been inflating drug prices, harming patients. Done so many bad things. Today, it's finally time to pay your debts.
Quick! Get these people under control. Li Yong, how are you? Are you hurt? Hurry to the hospital and get treated.
I'm fine. As long as the meds are safe. Those kids are still waiting for these meds to survive.
Don't worry. We'll handle these people according to the law. They won't harm society again. We'll help protect the meds and distribute them to those kids as soon as possible.
Li Yong, don't get cocky. Miss Elizabeth won't let you off. She still has tricks up her sleeve. You'll regret this.
No matter what tricks she has, I won't back down. As long as it saves those kids, I'm not afraid of anything.
Everyone, stay safe. Everyone, rest assured.
The meds are all here.
Useless, all useless. Can't even handle such a small task. And got caught by Li Yong. This is infuriating. What do we do? Wang Kun is caught. He'll definitely rat me out. Zhang Zheng took the money and ran. And he took the recording pen. If the recording gets out, I'm finished. Who?
Miss Elizabeth, long time, no see. I heard Wang Kun was arrested. Are you panicking now?
Zhang Zheng, you traitor. You took my money and took the recording pen. And you still dare to call me. You think I can't have someone find you and kill you?
Don't waste your energy. I've already left this place, you won't find me. I'm calling to tell you. Your recording pen, I've already handed it to a reporter. You manipulated drug prices and hired someone to frame Li Yong for stealing medicine. It will spread all over the internet. When that happens, you'll wait to face legal punishment.
No. Impossible. I spent so much money developing the drug. I just wanted to make some money. Was I wrong?
Boss Lee, you're injured so badly. Can't you just take a good rest? Let us handle the rest.
I'm fine. This injury is nothing. Officer Huang. How's Wang Kun doing over there? Did he rat out Elizabeth?
Wang Kun has confessed everything. He told everything about Elizabeth manipulating drug prices, hiring someone to frame you, and stealing the medicine. He told it all in detail. The reporter just called me and said he received the recording pen from Zhang Zheng. There's Elizabeth's conversation in it. Solid evidence.
Great. With this, Elizabeth can't escape even if she had wings. She will finally pay for what she's done.
Yeah. The patients she harmed can finally get justice.
Those children can finally take their medicine without worry.
Although Wang Kun was arrested and the recording pen was exposed, we can't let our guard down. Elizabeth will definitely make a last-ditch effort. We must be prepared. Can't give her any chance.
Don't worry. We've already arranged everything. We'll keep an eye on Elizabeth 24 hours a day. As soon as she makes any move, we'll arrest her immediately. We'll make sure she doesn't get away. Elizabeth Freeze. You're suspected of illegal business operations, assault, malicious destruction of property, and other charges. We are now arresting you. Please cooperate with our investigation.
What gives you the right to arrest me? I haven't committed any crime. It's all a setup by Wang Kun and Zhang Zheng. You can't arrest me.
On what grounds? Based on Wang Kun's testimony, the recording pen Zhang Zheng provided, and evidence that you inflated drug prices and harmed patients. These evidences are solid. What do you have to say for yourself?
No. I can't be arrested. I still need to make money. I need to develop new drugs. Let me go. I'll give you money. Any amount.
Take her away.
I won't accept this. Lee Yong, I won't let you off.
Got her.
Great. Finally, this heartless woman has been caught. We don't have to fear her anymore. We don't have to fear her anymore.
What goes around comes around. She did so many bad things. Now it's time to pay the price. From now on, we no longer have to worry about not being able to buy medicine or about drug prices being too high.
Boss Lee, all of this is thanks to you. If it weren't for you, we would have been ruined by Elizabeth and Wang Kun long ago. Those children would have been beyond saving.
This isn't just my achievement alone. It's the result of everyone's efforts. Without your help, I wouldn't have come this far. Now that Elizabeth has been arrested, we can finally deliver medicine to those children. Finally, we can let them live well.
Big brother, you're right.
From now on, we don't have to sneak around to transport medicine. We can openly help those in need.
Li Yong, good news. Elizabeth's company is leaderless. Now, I'm temporarily taking over. I've already discussed it with the top management. We've decided to lower the price of the genuine SMA drug.
Great. 15,000 a shot. And they're willing to include it in medical insurance. This way, the parents of those children will no longer have to worry about the cost of medicine.
Mr. Chen, thank you so much. You've really done us a big favor. Done those children a big favor.
Don't thank me. It's what I should do. Elizabeth went too far. She jacked up the drug price to 700,000. Harmed so many children and families. I couldn't stand it any longer. Now that I'm taking over the company, I want to change all of this. So more people can afford medicine and afford medical care.
Mr. Chen, you're such a good person. Unlike Elizabeth, who only cares about money. She doesn't care about others' lives at all. From now on, we can work together to help those in need.
Mr. Chen, thank you. Thank you for being willing to help us and help those children. I believe, under your leadership, your company will definitely get better and better and will help more people. Jianjun, Sumi, good news. The genuine SMA drug price has been lowered, 15,000 a shot, and it's covered by medical insurance. From now on, Xiaobao will no longer have to worry about running out of medicine. Thank you all. You are the benefactors of our family and of Xiaobao.
This is what we should do. From now on, we will always keep an eye on these children and do our best to help them live well.
Great, the medicine price has dropped. We can finally afford medicine for our child. Our child is saved.
Comrades, today we are here not only to celebrate Elizabeth and Wang Kun being brought to justice, but also to celebrate the SMA genuine drug being added to health insurance at a lower price. And more importantly, thank Mr. Li Yonghe, regardless of his personal safety, stepped forward and helped so many patients. He is a hero to all of us.
Hero Li Yong. Hero Li Yong.
On behalf of the company, to all the patients and families we have harmed, I apologize. From now on, we will uphold the original mission of a pharmaceutical company, develop more affordable drugs and help more people in need. We will also always support Mr. Li Yong and work with him to protect patients.
My big brother Li Yong and I will keep on going no matter what difficulties we face. We will help those in need, so that more people can afford medicine and afford medical treatment and will no longer lose their lives because they can't afford it.
We have wronged Boss Lee before.
He, disregarding past grievances, has been helping us.
Don't mention it. From now on, we will always follow Boss Lee.
And together help more people to repay Boss Lee's kindness.
Boss Lee, Thank you, you gave my child a second life. From now on, we will always remember your kindness.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you all for your trust and support. Actually, I didn't really do much. I just did what I should have done. Dear fellow villagers, dear patients, today, I stand here with so much I want to say. I was once just a regular health supplement store owner. I never thought I would end up on this path, helping so many people. I still remember back then, when Zhang Qingqing and the others knelt in my store, begging me to go to India for generic medicine, begging me to save them. At that moment, I told myself, I couldn't ignore it. I couldn't watch them lose their lives because they couldn't afford medicine. Along this journey, I faced many difficulties. I was reported, framed, threatened, and even almost went to jail. I felt lost and wanted to give up. I asked myself, was it worth it? But every time I saw those patients getting better thanks to my medicine, seeing those children grow up healthy, seeing the smiles on their faces, I knew it was all worth it. I know my strength alone is limited, but I'm grateful that so many people support and help me. Alamiha, Xiaoxin, Zhang Qingqing and the others, and all of you here, every patient and family member. You gave me the courage to keep going. You made me feel that my efforts were not in vain. Now, Elizabeth and Wang Kun have been brought to justice. The generic lung cancer drugs and SMOB, the brand name drugs, have become affordable and are covered by insurance. No one will ever again lose their life because they can't afford medicine. No one will ever despair because of illness. I hope in the future, more people will lend a hand to help those in need. I hope more pharmaceutical companies will stay true to their mission and develop more affordable drugs so that this world will no longer have diseases people can't afford to treat and no more desperate families. Okay.
Li Yong, you did it. You fulfilled your dream and helped so many people.
Brother, from now on, let's keep working together to help more people and make this world a warmer place.
Mr. Lee, you won't have to work so hard anymore. We'll all be with you, together safeguarding those in need.